Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the best resources for your learning journey. Today we're diving into the top 5 YouTube channels you should follow to master data analysis. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, these channels offer a wealth of knowledge and practical tutorials. Let's get started. First on our list is Alex the Analyst. Alex Freberg's channel is a fantastic resource for anyone interested in data analysis. He provides comprehensive tutorials on tools like SQL, Excel, and Python, along with portfolio projects and career advice. His content is easy to follow and perfect for beginners. Next up is Codebasics. This channel covers a wide range of data analysis topics, including Python, Pandas, SQL, and machine learning. The tutorials are well structured and practical, helping you build a strong foundation in data analysis. Rishabh Mishra's channel is a great resource for those looking to delve into data analysis with tools like Power BI and Excel. His tutorials are easy to understand and focus on practical applications, making it easier for you to grasp the concepts and apply them in real-world scenarios. Krish Naik is another excellent channel, especially for those diving deep into data science. Krish covers everything from statistics and SQL to machine learning and deep learning. His tutorials are thorough and well explained, helping you build a solid foundation in data analysis. Last but not least, we have Apna College. This channel offers extensive tutorials on various subjects, including data analysis, Python programming, and more. The content is designed to be beginner-friendly and is presented in a clear, engaging manner, making it a great resource for students. And there you have it, folks. These are our top 5 YouTube channels for learning data analysis. Make sure to check them out and subscribe to get the most out of your learning experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.